Hello, everyone. I haven't really gotten to the dumpsters this week. Me and my husband, he was on vacation. We did a lot of stuff together. Um, got a little clip of us out on the ATVs the other day. The day before, we went fishing. I was the only one that caught any fish. We didn't get any video footage. I caught my personal best. First, I caught a little tiny largemouth bass. Real tiny little thing, a little baby. And then I caught a monstrous carp. We didn't bring a net. We were shore fishing. I was fishing with worms. Carp don't normally go for worms, but this carp took the worm, hooked it, brought it in. This thing had to have at least been 15 pounds. Mike couldn't get his hands around the tail to even grab it out. He was trying, and every time he'd get the tail, he couldn't get a good grip of it, and it would flick its tail and get away again. I'd have to fight it back to the shore. I lost it. After about 10 minutes of fighting it at the shore, it shook the hook loose. Biggest fish I've ever caught. Hindsight's 2020. He's like, I should have had you jump in and grab that thing. I would have, but he needed to grab the rod. So I lost my fish. But we did go out the following day. We rode the ATVs. That's what this clip is going to be that's coming up. Had a blast. I'm going to go check the bins today. Hopefully we find something. But I figured I'd show you what we've been doing. Show you a little glimpse of my life. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope your weekend was amazing. Stay safe. Stay sane. We'll catch you on the next one.